For decades, the corporate ladder came with a silent contract, dress code, 9 to 5, and quiet compliances, but a new force just entered the lobby: Generation Z. They aren't just filling taxes, they are rewriting rules. From boundaries over burnout to trading standard emails for casual Slack emojis, they want purpose over prestige. And they want it now. To some, it longs overdue workplace revolution, a health rejection of hustle culture. To others, it is an absolute cultural shockwave that is leaving traditional management scrambling for a translator. Caught right in the middle of the crossfire, the millennials, the generation that survived the old grind only to watch a new guard tear it down. Here is what they actually think.
My name is Tanuja and I am the Director of Human Resources at IOTA. So working with Gen Zs has been slightly difficult, but I think it has also been an absolute pleasure. क्योंकि Gen Zs बहुत straightforward है, one. दूसरा, they know what they want in life. तीसरा, they do not sugarcoat whatever they want to say, whatever they have in their mind. They say it to you upfront, right?
हाँ, Gen Zs के साथ वर्क करने में डिफरेंस तो है काफ़ी, उनकी सोच में, उनके थॉट प्रोसेस में, उनके विजन में, क्योंकि उनका जो सोचने का तरीका है वो आज के टाइम के साथ है। जो हम सोचते हैं हम अपने एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से, जो हमने चीज़ें देखी हुई होती हैं उसके हिसाब से हम उसके अकॉर्डिंगली काम करते हैं। बट जो Gen Zs हैं उनके पास ये एडवांटेज होती है कि उनको ट्रेंड्स का बहुत अच्छे से पता होता है।
We are from human resources, we manage humans. Humans, they do come from different states, different culture, different age groups, but at the end, 80% they behave similarly, they have similar reactions.
Working with young people has been a very mind-opening experience for myself, because I believe compared to my peers, they work at a faster pace, they have a bigger hunger for knowledge and they are more curious in general. So that makes it very easy for me to assimilate new concepts, and in the same way for me to actually transfer something to them is much more easier than doing it with a peer.
It's easy to judge a generation from a distance or reduce them to headlines about quiet quitting, but there's a massive difference between being lazy and just wanting something better. The truth is, Generation Z is walking into a completely different professional world than the one before them. They are highly capable, fiercely independent, and incredibly exhausted by the old clutches. They are not trying to ruin the workplace, they are just trying to survive it on their own terms that finally make sense to them. So, behind the Slack emojis and strict boundaries, what is the actual reality of being Gen Z in corporate today? Let's hear it straight from them.
This is Smriti. I'm 24 years old. I work in social media, and well, this is not my very first job. And corporate का मेरा experience ऐसा रहा कि ठीक है, I enjoy the work that I do because जिस field में मैं हूँ, that is very creative and fun. But corporate is still corporate, not my thing.
Hi, my name is Avni. I am 22 and I'm a community manager at IOTA. And my experience in corporate has so far been really productive, I would say, because I am somebody who likes doing the work, getting my hands dirty, going to the field. बस मुझसे बैठ के काम नहीं होता, क्योंकि करना पड़ता है, and I don't like that. But I think corporate is fun, given you meet good people and not good people. So that's it.
Working with Gen Z people my age is exciting. You know, you get a lot of new opinions, and sometimes brainstorming sessions that are very cool. Millennials, I'd say. The biggest misconception, according to me, that people have about Gen Z is that people think that we are unserious people, that बहुत ही brain rot generation है, but ऐसा नहीं है. When it comes to work, we are pretty committed and serious, and we deliver when it's expected of us.
I think I can use my caliber to deliver all the things that the agency needs, and I think maybe I will see myself doing more in the future.
Gen Zs का बस एक ही फंडा है, if you control them or try to control them, you will not get anything out of them. But if you let them loose and you only assign them and tell them what you want, I think you will get one of the bestest results ever.
I think too many people talk about them, but I have a very good experience and vision of working with them So what I practically feel working with them, so I work with both millennials and Gen Z. So what I personally feel is that they are the most updated, they are the most energetic, they are the ones who know the most trends, and they are the ones who are most adaptive. It is just that you can always not say that okay, you have to adjust according to me. Sometimes you also have to plan things which work according to them. So the way of working could be different. Otherwise, they always bring a new and the fresh perspective of everything we are doing. Gen Z, these are the people who, when they came into this world, so they got the access to all the digital assets very early. They don't believe in rumors. They are very much accurate about what they are talking and what they are doing. So yeah, so it's great experience, and I think they are very powerful, and then the future of this country and the world. So that's it.